Ni hao! Another day, another self-care day. Syempre, kailangan nating alagaan si self kasi wala namang ibang mag-aalaga dyan. Hoy! So come with me as I go to the DN Aesthetic Clinic and to do some of my favorite treatments like the Ultra Spa Facial, Gluto Drip, Collagen Booster, and also the Pico Laser. Actually, it's my third time to visit the clinic. My first one is in Taipei branch and now this is my second time here in Taichung branch. I super love the peaceful ambiance, the aesthetic vibes, and the staff sobrang friendly and accommodating. We had a brief explanation before doing the treatments and doctor consultation. And after that, they asked me to go upstairs for the procedures. And this machine is the one they use for the Ultra Spa Facial. And as you know, Ultra Spa Facial is a deep cleansing and rejuvenating facial. It is designed to refresh your skin and give it that healthy and radiant glow. It also removes dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. And the procedure itself sobrang nakaka-relax. Lalo na yung pag-massage sa akin ni ate. Ay, ang sarap matulog. Tapos yung sound pa nitong machine, sobrang nakaka-relax. Pakinggan niyo. And while doing the Ultra Spa Facial, sinabay na rin ang favorite kong Glutat Diamond Drip, and it's also my first time to try their Collagen Booster Drip. I know everyone think na basta gluta pampaputi lang yan, basta collagen pampabata lang. Pero no, meron din po kayo makukuha ditong health benefits like vitamin C, vitamin B12. It also supports para dun sa mga nahihirapan matulog, like me, nahihirapan ako matulog, irregular yung menstruation, o diba? It also helps boost energy and support your overall fitness. So if you want to try these treatments, you can book your appointment through their Line account or TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!